Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how you can add the checkout page with the power of plugin. Here you can see my previous checkout page. It is looking very old school. So we're going to change it today. Let's see how we can modify it through a plugin. We will go to the plugins and click add new. Here we will search a keyword which is cart flows. After pressing enter, we will see this WooCommerce checkout and funnel builder. You can see its rating. I have already installed it. You can simply install it and activate it from here. I will go to my install plugin and here I will go to its settings. You can also access it from here. After going on this settings, I will click store checkout. From here I will import ready-made the pages. From the ready-made pages I will select this one and import flows while it is important. So it is redirecting to the imported page. So here are two pages, which is one is checkout and other is thank you page. So here I'm editing the checkout page. From here we can edit it. I will rename it first, the checkout page, and we can design it from here. If you have Elementor, it's the best tool. Otherwise you can also build it from the WordPress builder. So here you can see you can also add the logo here. For the time being I'm cancelling it. So I will click the update. And I will go back and edit the other one, the thank you page. You can also edit it as we did with the before. I will edit its name to thank you and save it and click save changes. So as it is saved, we're gonna click the enable. So it is enabled now. Yeah. If we go on our checkout page and refresh it, here you can see it is added on our website. So it was the tutorial. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.